We're gonna start this project with a large brush. First we'll dip our brush in water and in blue paint. Then we'll cover the whole artwork in light blue. Now we can switch to a medium-sized brush and brown paint. We'll create an outline of a circle in the upper left side of the artwork. Then we'll paint it in. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can dip it in green paint and create outline of the stem. Next, you can outline and paint in couple leaves on both sides of the stem. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint to create petals around brown circle. You can add second layer of yellow if the paint is too transparent. After wiping your brush, you can add second layer of brown paint. After wiping your brush, you can add second layer of green paint on the leaves and stem. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and black paint. We can paint sunflower seeds by adding small black circles on top of brown part of the flower. Next, you can mix green and yellow paint to create lighter shade of green. We'll use small brush to paint details on the leaves. We'll start by adding a long light green line and then shorter lines on both sides. Next, we'll use green paint to add grass on the bottom of the artwork. We'll paint multiple thin brush strokes on both sides of the stem. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.